Exporting chickpeas from India is a promising opportunity for traders and agribusinesses, thanks to India's position as one of the world's top producers and exporters. The process begins with sourcing high-quality chickpeas that meet global standards. Next, exporters must understand trade regulations, including the correct HS codes like 0713-2000 and 0713-90110 to ensure smooth customs clearance. Managing logistics is crucial, as shipments are sent to major destinations such as Bangladesh, the United States, and the United Arab Emirates. In the past year, India exported nearly 100 chickpea shipments, with October 2024 seeing a notable 23% increase compared to the previous year. Building strong relationships with buyers is essential for long-term success. Top Indian exporters include Savalia Exports and VAD Industries. For those looking to enter this market, having access to up-to-date export data and verified buyer contacts can make all the difference in securing profitable deals and growing your business.